Let's learn some useful vocabulary today together. My name is Christina, and today I'll explain you how to say and at the same time pronounce correctly, because just to say it, it's not enough sometimes, the months in Bulgarian and the days of the week. Okay? In this channel, we've been explaining a lot of grammar, a lot of idiomatic expressions, a lot of sometimes slang and how we speak on the street, but let's focus now on some useful vocabulary. Let's start with the days of the week. How you say Monday? Ponedelnik. I know long words in Bulgarian can be very challenging for foreigners, and this is the aim, one of the aims of our YouTube channel, to help you learn on your own rhythm pace home, repeating with us. So now I'll try to say them in a clear way so that you can hear the right pronunciation and hopefully repeat after me. Ponedelnik can be a tricky word for foreigners. I know it by experience with our students. Tuesday, вторник. So you write it with V, as you can see, but you pronounce it more with F in the beginning. Вторник. Okay, somewhere between V and F, let's say. Wednesday, сряда. Thursday, my favorite one. Четвъртък. Why I say my favorite one? Probably the most difficult for foreigners to be pronounced. Четвъртък. It looks like actually all the days of the week you can find something that you can link if you're, let's say, a Russian speaker or some Slavic countries, but they're not exactly the same how in your language. In Bulgarian, we have our own way to pronounce them. So четвъртък, it's a very good example. Repeat after me. Четвъртък. Okay? Saying it with an open mouth slowly can help you pronounce all the letters and be understood. Friday, петък. Петък. And the weekend, Saturday, събота. Събота. And Sunday, неделя. Неделя. I hope now it will be a bit easier for you to know the days of the week, and let's pass to the months, okay? Months also can sound a little bit how the months, let's say, in English or in other Latin languages, in other Slavic languages. So there is something that you can relate most of the time. But again, in Bulgarian, the months have their own way to be pronounced. So stay with me and we will learn how to say it in the correct way. January. January. Again, do like me, at least in the beginning, until you feel comfortable with the months. Open your mouth the way I open it. What I like to say in a foreign language, let's say in Bulgarian, it's very important how you pronounce the vowels. January. There is the secret, yeah? Because a lot of foreigners, they tend to not exactly pronounce it the Bulgarian way or eat, let's say, the ending of the word, which actually doesn't help them to be understood by the others. So, January. February, February. March, Mart. Easy, right? The short ones are the easy ones. March, Mart. April, April. You see how they sound almost the same, but they're not. So, April, not April. Okay? May, Mai. Small difference, but still we can hear it. May and Mai. Okay? June, Juni. Juni. July, Juli. So, Juni, Juli. One letter difference, but different months. August, August. August. September, Septembri. The stress, it's also important. I hope you can follow with me. That's why I try to pronounce it in a way that you can really understand me. Septembri. October, Octomvri. November, Noemvri. Noemvri. And December, decembri. You see how the last months, they have some similarities? So septembri, octombri, noembri, decembri. Okay, so probably it can help you in a way to remember it in your head. Let us know in the comments if these kind of videos are useful for you. Do you want us to make more videos like this that you practice with us pronunciation? Even probably you have a text on your screen and we read it with you and we help you with pronunciation, or I don't know where you put where you make the pause or where you put the stress. Or no, the opposite. You want us to continue more with grammar explanations or sentence structure, or you want both, or actually what you want more from us. Thank you very much for following us. It takes us a lot of time, honestly, and efforts to make these videos, but we believe that they're useful. We know there are more and more foreigners learning Bulgarian every day, and I really hope we make a useful content for you. So if you find it useful and if it helps you, give us a like or share the video or subscribe for our channel. It always helps us for the, I don't know, algorithm and just to show us that we're doing something meaningful in a way. If you're looking for more information, you can check our website or write us for more information in the social media. We're always happy to be in contact with foreigners learning Bulgarian. Thank you.